Hi friends, welcome to your own channel. Word is World. In this video, we are going to talk about the longest living people and their lifestyle. Ikigai. Watch this video till the end. Aim is to get inspired by inspiring others. There are 5 blue zones in the world, identified and analyzed by Dan Buettner. The geographic region where people live longest, more than 100 years. 1. Okinawa, Japan. 2. Sardia, Italy. 3. Loma Linda, California. 4. Nicoya Peninsula, Costa Rica. 5. Ikaria, Greece. Okinawa Island in Japan holds first place among the world. Blue zones described as the land of immortal. Blue zone is non-scientific term given to the geographic region that are home to some of the world's oldest people. They are called blue zones because when Dan Buettner and his colleague were searching for these areas, they drew blue circles around on a map. Okinawans live by principle of Ichariya Chode. It's a local expression that means treat everyone like a brother, even if you have never met before. From early age, they practice teamwork and so are used to helping one another. The 80% secret, Hara Hachi Bu, one of the most common saying in Japan, repeated before and after eating. It means fill your belly up to 80%. That is, we should stop eating when we are starting to feel full. They form groups known as Moai. Moai is an informal group of people with common interest who look out for one another. Members of Moai make a set of monthly contribution to the group to participate in meeting, dinner, games or whatever hobby they have in common. If there is money left over, one member, decided on a rotation basis, receives a set amount from the surplus. If member of a Moai is in financial trouble, he or she can get an advance from the group saving. In this way, being a part of Moai helps maintain emotional and financial stability. 99.9% of us in this world come and go ironically without realizing why we were born. We are born twice. One, your biological birth, and two, when you realize why you are born. According to those born on Okinawa, our Ikigai is the reason we get up in the morning. Ikigai is essentially about finding purpose in life, the happiness of always being busy. It's the art of staying young while growing old. Those who discover their ikigai have everything they need for a long and joyful journey through life. Everyone has their own ikigai. Finding your ikigai requires deep self exploration. Answer these four questions honestly to yourself to find your own ikigai. 1. What you love. 2. What you are good at. 3. What the world needs. 4. What you can be paid for. Let me show you the picture. When what you love intersects with what the world needs, it becomes your mission. When what you love intersects with what you are good at becomes your passion. When what you are good at intersects with what you can be paid for becomes your profession. And when what the world needs and what you can be paid for intersect, it becomes your vocation. When all this passion, mission, vocation, profession simulates, it's your own ikigai. Having clearly defined ikigai brings satisfaction, happiness, and meaning to our life. In Japanese culture, having a purpose in life is so important that our idea of retirement simply doesn't exist. Do you know what's the average life of a person after retirement? It's less than 10 years. It simply means don't get retired. To achieve happiness and long life, we should make certain that we are never without an important goal. You are never too old to learn something and never too young to teach something. Concentrate on a single task. We often think that combining tasks will save us time, but scientific evidence shows that it has opposite effect. Studies indicate that working on several things at a time lowers your productivity by at least 60% and our IQ by more than 10 points. Even those who claim to be good at multitasking are not very productive. In fact, they are some of the least productive people. Our generation is suffering from epidemic of multitasking. Concentrating on one thing at a time may be the single most important factor in achieving flow. Workflow is when you know exactly how to move at each moment. There is no future, no past. There is only present. You are completely immersed in the experience, not thinking about or distracted by anything else. You become part of what you are doing. Happiest people are not the ones who achieve most. They are the ones who spend more time than others in state of flow. That's all for the day. Please comment, subscribe and press the bell icon. Links for our other similar inspirational videos are given below in the message box. Your positive and constructive feedback is our motivation. This is Dhananjay Patil signing out till we meet again in the next video. Bye. Take care. God bless us.